Hey guys, welcome back. So now we're working on my dad's RZR Trail Sport. So he got himself that. So I'm hooking him up with some mirrors and everything. So here are some mirrors from us to put on aftermarket. These are nice. So anyways, we're gonna start by removing these two bolts here. They install just like the factory. So this is basically 15 millimeter to remove, and simple as this. So we're not going to be using the hardware that's from factory. It's provided in the kit. You got to keep an eye. These will move, but it should be okay to rescrew it back in. If they move a lot, then you're in trouble. So let me grab some. In the kit, it's multiple for different companies. So you got the long ones and you got some shorter ones. Jeez, pulling all the long ones out. Take these out of the way. I guess it's for different size of roll bars or whatever, but we're just going to use the short ones. And they give you 4 of each, and they give you 4 nuts of each. So it's going to be simple, and that turns down to 14 millimeter instead of 15. So you'll be taking off 15s and putting 14s on. So basically, what you're going to do is flip the mirror so it's sideways like this completely, and just passing through. There you go, there's one. There's the other short one, and that should hold it into place. And now we're going to grab these nuts on the other side right here and stick them in the existing holes like so, and start threading by hand. Once it grabs, all right, do the same thing with the bottom one. All right, now grab your impact driver or your sock, your ratchet, and hold this one in because it's squared in there. You don't need no key or no. Oops. Start one off, push the other one in, and then you keep watching the crack here in the middle. See, it's nice and snug. Snug. And that's it. All right, so basically that's it for the install. And then if you want to adjust the mirror inside, it's adjustable to adjust just by pushing up or down, and you're done. And if you find that the mirror is too, like, it's got snapping positions, you can hear the clicks. There you go. It stops. And if you want it at stiffer, all you need to do is tighten, which is a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter top nut and bolt, and just squeeze those down. If your mirror happens to be like this one's nice and tight and snug to push on, if it's not, you can actually pop the cover off here. Just grab a pick and just go in without scratching anything, and you can basically pull it out and unsnap it. You pop this off, and then there's one 8 millimeter screw, nut in the back, which you loosen and tighten to retighten your mirror. So that's it. So this is an easy one. Thanks for watching, and yeah, really easy to install, and these are very non-expensive, and they fit right in to OEM spot. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one, and we'll probably be doing more Polaris videos. So if you guys like this, subscribe if you want, because my dad just got this, and we're going to be installing a winch, we're going to be installing a center mirror, we're going to be installing a windshield, we're going to be installing back glass, and probably some backup lights and other stuff. So if you want to stay tuned to to get everything done on this and figure it out. We'll do the same thing as we do on the X3 and everything else. So catch you on the next one. Bye for now.